I believe that most people see innovation the exact same way that I saw art, that it is applied specifically and it's only for special people. And it's why people say these two things. Have you ever heard this? I'm not an innovator. Maybe you've heard someone say this, maybe you've thought this before, or I'm not creative. Show of hands, anybody ever say this, hear this, believe it yourself? Yes, thank you. Your innovation journey starts now. All right, who's in? You with me? Yes, all right, okay. Let's get ready to Lego. Innovation is a call for change, a call for disruption, a call to create a better future for yourself, your team, and your organization. Your best thoughts, your best ideas are waiting to be unleashed. So rise up, innovators of today and tomorrow, so that your passions can rise, your ideas soar, and you can create the future you want to see today. Will you answer the call? Yes, all right. Thank you so much, CSAE, for having me. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much.
I'm Shay Cameron. I am the manager of events at CSAE, the Canadian Society for Association Executives. I would say that Leo is lovely. He's so easy to work with. We had such a smooth kind of onboarding process. The tech check went by in 2 minutes flat, and really wonderful to have Leo kind of join part of our team for this event. I think if your audience is willing to jump in and kind of go along for the ride and want something to do and is willing to be hands-on and engaged with, Leo is the guy for you to really engage that audience, bring everybody together, have that sense of community in the space, working on those hands-on Lego pieces.
I'm Carrie Fisher, Director of Strategy and Engagement for CSAE. The feedback was really fantastic. We had an engaged room from start to finish. They were interested, they were continuing to engage with the activity. They found the purpose, they followed the bouncing ball right from start to finish, and the energy in the room stayed high the entire time. If you're looking to hire a keynote that is out of the ordinary and maybe off of the beaten path, but is unexpected by your attendees, this is the one to do. It's different, it's interesting, it's engaging, and it's a really great way to start your conference.